Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at lot number 24, which is a Yamaha RX50 two-stroke. It's a very unusual bike, 50 cc's two-stroke with 4-speed and 7.5 horsepower. Has a top speed of 60 miles an hour, which is about 100 kilometers an hour out of 50, which is very quick. It can be ridden on a AM license here as well in Ireland, so do keep that in note. It'll probably be the quickest AM bike you can buy out there. Also, it can be driven on a car license if the car license is issued prior to 2006 in Ireland as well. So getting on the bike, it is €1,950. The age is 1982 and it only has 4,473 miles on the clock. Condition wise, bike is in good condition. The rear tyre is perfect. Do have a slight mark on the rear exhaust here as we go through it. You can have a look. Engine area is tiny. You could nearly fit double the size engine in there. This original side panel and seat in good condition. Tank also in good condition. Front forks good, and a miniature front little disc on her, as well as the front tyre being good with the front mudguard. The left hand side of the bike now is in good condition. Some kind of signs of rusting on over the engine area here. The wheels here in good condition, as well as the tyres. Front mudguard good condition also. Front forks, nothing to make note of. No real marks on the tank. And the seat has a slight issue here, obviously, where they've taped over. Rear wheel is good. Chain and so on, all very good, with only a side stand, no main stand. Again, if you are interested in the bike, we'll be taking €150 deposits on the bike to secure the bike before arrival in September. Again, €1,950, 1982 bike, 4,473 miles on the clock. If you have liked the video, please like, comment down below what you think of the bike, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe.